In this video, I will show you how to find real line art drawing of any image in Google search. Just like what you see right here, these are elephants of different caliber line drawing on Google search. How can you do it for any image in Google search? Let me show you how. So I'm going to simply click on here to close this tab, and I'll create a new tab right here. Having created a new tab, next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here, click on images, and the next thing you want to do is to click on here and search for any image that you are looking for. Let's say I'm looking for bird, and hit enter. So we have different birds right here. So what we need here is the line art drawing. How can we filter and get that? Come to the top right here where you have tools right here. And the next thing you want to do right here is to simply scroll down until you get to type. Go ahead and under the type, go ahead and click on line drawing right here. Click on that, and boom, you have them all right here, just like so. So if you're interested in any one right here, let's say for instance you want to get on this one right here, simply click on it, and then it's going to take you right here. Then you can easily download this all for free. So for that, right click on the image, click on save image as, then go ahead and hit on save, and you are done. If you scroll down right here, you see more and more, just like so. It's that simple. Then you can go back right here. You can use this method to get any image line drawing free search on Google. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google search, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.